All right, Wednesday morning, folks. Just like yesterday, the theme of the day is concern, fear around growth or lack thereof, slowdown. What are we seeing? Yields are moving higher. As a result, dollar moving higher. We've got some big central bank meetings this week. Bank of Canada today, European Central Bank tomorrow. Weak jobs data last Friday has got this market on edge. Dow Jones was down 260 yesterday, weakness across the board. We're seeing a relatively flat market this morning as we head into these central bank meetings. Oil, the Hurricane Ida, we're seeing supply having a tough time coming back on. As a result, weakness in oil, weakness in supply. We're seeing oil prices move higher by nearly 2% this morning. So continued volatility in oil, sitting around $69 a barrel in WTI. All right, markets are moving. Let's go get some. Everybody have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.